Top 10 Anti-Cancer Foods You Need to Eat Right Now. Today's video will explore the top 10 foods proven scientifically to prevent cancer. We all know what cancer can do and do not need to take this video for granted. Cancer is a persistent disease that has attacked billions of individuals directly or indirectly around the world. Even though the medical world is pushing hard to find a permanent treatment, we strongly believe in what prevention can do. The foods on our list are natural sources of very potent nutrients and compounds with anti-cancer properties. Eating them is the wisest thing we can do for ourselves, as they reduce the likelihood of developing this deadly disease and promote general health. We aim to provide you with up-to-date knowledge to empower you to make accurate decisions about your general health. We have conducted detailed research to compile this list, as prevention is far better than cure. So, get ready! We will delve into the world of nutritious foods that can help us prevent cancer. We will unveil the secret behind every compound in each food that makes it stand out as a cancer-fighting food. Sit tight as we tantalize your taste buds with the top 10 foods to help safeguard your body against cancer. Watch till the end to find out how to effortlessly inject these foods into your daily diet routine. So grab a pen and paper and take notes as we embark on this journey together. Remember that knowledge is power, and when we are armed with the correct information, we can make a difference in our lives and those of our loved ones. What are the causes of cancer? Cancer is a disease caused by the multiplication and division of abnormal cells in any body part. It can start from any body part, consisting of trillions of cells. Let me explain this. Cells in the body grow and multiply through a process known as cell division. They form new cells as the body needs them. The cells die off as they grow old. When the cells grow old or get damaged and die off, they are replaced with new ones. However, sometimes things go wrong, and new cells begin to grow even when they are not needed. Also, old cells refuse to die off as they should. So the buildup of these cells forms a mass of tissue called a growth, tumor, or lump. Cancer is a very complex disease caused by many factors. You may not know the exact cause of all types of cancer, and extensive research has identified several factors that can increase the risk of developing cancer. Let's look at these causes before we go to our list. Genetic factors. Inherited gene mutations from your parents can predispose individuals to cancer. Some common examples include BRCA1 and BRCA2 gene mutations associated with breast cancer, ovarian cancer, and Lynch syndrome, which increase the risk of other cancers. However, it's vital to note that genetic factors contribute to a tiny percentage of cancer cases. Tobacco and smoking. Tobacco use, including cigarettes, cigars, and smokeless tobacco, is a well-established cause of cancer. It contains numerous carcinogens that can damage DNA and lead to mutations, increasing the risk of developing various cancers, including lung, mouth, throat, esophageal, and bladder cancer. Secondhand smoke exposure is also harmful. Dietary factors. Poor dieting can make your immune system vulnerable, which can invite cancer. Excessive sugar intake. Poor diets lacking in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, and diets high in processed and red meats have been linked to an increased risk of cancer. Excessive alcohol consumption is another leading cause of cancer, such as liver, throat, mouth, and breast cancer. Obesity and physical activity. A lack of regular activity and exercise can cause metabolic changes and create room for certain types of cancer, including breast, colorectal, and kidney cancer. Sun exposure and UV radiation. Prolonged exposure to UV radiation from the sun can damage the DNA in the skin cells, leading to cell mutation. Sun exposure and UV radiation can increase the chances of skin cancers like melanoma, the deadliest form of skin cancer. Occupational and environmental risks. Chemicals in our environment are known to be carcinogens. We have a better chance of developing cancer if we expose ourselves to these chemicals. These chemicals include formaldehyde, benzene, arsenic, radon, and pesticides. Infections. Did you know that there are infections that can lead to cancer? For example, long-term infection with Helicobacter pylori can cause stomach cancer. Human papillomavirus, HPV, is a leading cause of cervical cancer, and prolonged chronic hepatitis B and hepatitis C can lead to liver damage. It's important to understand that these factors alone may not cause cancer development, but they increase the risk of developing cancer. So many individuals with these risk factors have never developed cancer. Lifestyle choices, genetics, and environmental factors can interact in very complex ways, and that's why early detection of cancer is paramount. Understanding these causes of cancer should make an individual make an informed decision on lifestyle choices and diet, know what they expose themselves to in their given space or environment, and possibly engage in regular cancer screenings to ensure they are free from this disease and commence treatment on time in case it is detected early. Now, without any delay, let's dive into the top 10 foods that prevent cancer. But one quick reminder, this video is for educational purposes. So speak to your doctor first if you have any medical conditions. Number 1 on the list is berries. Berries are known for their vibrant colors, sweet taste, and health benefits. They are also rich in antioxidants. Antioxidants help protect cells from the damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals can damage cells and contribute to chronic diseases such as cancer. Berries contain polyphenols, which are anti-cancer antioxidants. Polyphenols prevent cancer growth by reducing inflammation, inducing cell death in cancer cells, and inhibiting the formation of new blood vessels that the tumor needs to grow. Research has shown that consuming berries may help reduce the risk of certain types of cancer. A study proved that raspberries effectively reduced colon cancer cells in vitro. This study was published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry. Another study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that blueberries were associated with a lower risk of breast cancer. Berries are also good sources of fiber, vitamins, and minerals, which help overall health and reduce the risk of cancer. They can easily be incorporated into various healthy dishes. Number 2. Broccoli and cruciferous vegetables such as Brussels sprouts. Cruciferous vegetables include broccoli, cauliflower, kale, Brussels sprouts, etc. Cruciferous vegetables are rich in various nutrients that are verified to have anti-cancer properties. They also contain high levels of fiber, vitamins, and minerals, which support overall health and reduce the risk of cancer. One of the vital compounds found in cruciferous vegetables is glucosinolate. These compounds are broken down during digestion to form biologically active compounds like sulforaphane and indole-3-carbinol. These compounds have anti-cancer properties and help prevent DNA damage, reducing inflammation and inducing cell death in cancer cells. Studies have shown that women who consumed the most cruciferous vegetables had a lower risk of developing lung cancer than those who consumed the least. This study is published in the Journal of the National Cancer Institute. Another publication in the Journal of Nutrition shows that men who consumed the most cruciferous vegetables had a lower risk of developing prostate cancer. Are you enjoying the information? Ensure you like, share, subscribe, and click on notifications to never miss a video. Number 3. Green tea. Green tea is no small food, as it contains a group of antioxidants called catechins, which have been shown to have anti-cancer properties. Specifically, epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG, is a type of catechin known for its potential to prevent and treat cancer. Epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG, inhibits the spread of cancer by inducing cell death, reducing inflammation, and inhibiting the formation of new blood vessels that tumors need to grow. It also enhances the effects of chemotherapy and radiation therapy by making the treatments more effective. Also, studies have shown the effectiveness of green tea in preventing certain types of cancer. For example, a study published in the American Journal of Epidemiology shows that women who consumed the most green tea had a lower risk of developing breast cancer than those who consumed the least. Another study in the Journal of the National Cancer Institute shows that men who drank green tea the most had a lower risk of developing prostate cancer. Number 4. Turmeric. Turmeric has been used for centuries to treat various ailments. The active ingredient in turmeric, curcumin, has been studied for its health benefits. Curcumin has been shown to have antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and anti-cancer properties. Inflammation is the body's natural response to infection or injury, but chronic inflammation can cause chronic diseases like cancer. Curcumin reduces inflammation by inhibiting the activity of inflammatory enzymes and cytokines. Curcumin, as a powerful antioxidant, can help neutralize free radicals and prevent them from causing damage to cells. In addition to its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, curcumin can also help prevent the growth and spread of cancer cells by inducing cell death, reducing inflammation, and inhibiting the formation of new blood vessels that tumors need to grow. Curcumin has also been shown to enhance the effects of chemotherapy and radiation therapy, making these treatments more effective. A study published in the Journal of Clinical Oncology shows that curcumin supplements reduce colon cancer cell growth in vitro. Another study published in the Journal of Cancer Prevention shows that curcumin supplements effectively reduce the risk of developing prostate cancer. Number 5. Garlic. Garlic contains allicin, which is proven to help prevent cases like stomach and colorectal cancer. Garlic is more potent when consumed raw, crushed, or chopped. A published study shows that women who consume garlic are less likely to develop colon cancer than those who do not or consume trace amounts. Another study published in the Journal of the National Cancer Institute also shows that it helps prevent prostate cancer in men. Number 6. Legumes and pulses. Legumes and pulses have a high fiber content, which helps promote good bowel movements and a healthy digestive system, which may help prevent colorectal cancer. When there is a bowel movement, many substances that could be toxic to the system are removed, reducing the risk of cancer. Additionally, legumes and pulses contain flavonoids, phenolic acids, and saponins with antioxidant properties. These compounds inhibit the growth of harmful cancer cells, reduce oxidative stress, and truncate cancer development. Legumes and pulses include beans, lentils, chickpeas, and peas. Number 7. Almonds, walnuts, and other nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds have a high antioxidant content. Antioxidants help defend the body against harm from free radicals and unstable chemicals that can harm cells and aid in cancer growth. Nuts and seeds also contain fiber, which can help in regular bowel movements and reduce the risk of colon cancer. Nuts and seeds are also good sources of phytochemicals, plant compounds with anti-cancer properties. For example, lignans found in flax seeds have been shown to reduce the risk of breast cancer, and phytosterols found in nuts and seeds have been shown to inhibit the growth of cancer cells. Nuts and seeds also contain healthy fats, like omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce inflammation and promote overall health. Reducing inflammation in the body is an integral part of cancer prevention, as inflammation helps cancer thrive. So incorporate nuts and seeds into your diet plan, and you will not regret it. Number 8. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits are rich sources of vitamin C, fiber, and phytochemicals. They have been shown to have health benefits, including the ability to fight cancer. Vitamin C, a water-soluble nutrient in citrus fruits, helps fight free radicals, which can pose a severe threat to the cells in the body and promote cancer growth. Citrus foods are equally packed with phytochemicals, compounds that have been shown to have anti-cancer properties. Examples of these phytochemicals include limonoids, shown in studies to help fight or reduce the risk of breast, colon, and skin cancer. Number 9. Tomatoes. One of the critical components of tomatoes is lycopene. Lycopene is a potent antioxidant that is responsible for its vibrant red color. Lycopene has been the subject of numerous studies, and research suggests that its consumption is associated with a decreased risk of prostate, lung, and stomach cancer. This powerful antioxidant helps neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, which can cause damage to cells and contribute to cancer development. Incorporating tomatoes into your diet can increase your lycopene intake and potentially reduce the risk of these cancers. Number 10. Mushroom. Mushrooms are fungi that have been consumed for many years. They have also been used for medicinal purposes for years. Mushrooms can help prevent cancer through their high beta-glucan content. Beta-glucans are polysaccharides found in the cell walls of mushrooms. They have immune-boosting effects and can stimulate the immune system to recognize and destroy cancer cells. Beta-glucans can inhibit the formation of new blood vessels that supply nutrients to tumors. In addition to their high beta-glucan content, mushrooms are also a good source of other compounds that have been shown to have anti-cancer properties. Mushrooms are good sources of other compounds like ergothioneine and selenium. Ergothioneine is a powerful antioxidant that helps fight against harm caused by free radicals. Selenium also has anti-cancer properties. It helps prevent cancer development by inhibiting cancer growth by reducing oxidative stress, inhibiting cancer cell growth, and promoting cancer cell death. So thank you for joining us today. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. Together, let's create a healthier, cancer-free future. That's what we want, and that's what we shall have.